All right, how's it going, everybody? Today I'm going to do a quick review of the Autek, I guess that's how you pronounce it, IFIX 919 OBD2 code reader for vehicles, diagnostics tester. I'm going to test it out. I've got a 1999 Suburban and we're going to give it a shot. I don't have a check engine light on at the moment, but we're going to go through some of the features and take a look what I can do. Alright, so I've got the IFIX 919 by Autek sitting here. I've got the cord plugged into it, and on the other end I put this little adapter piece on, as you can see there. And this piece right here is going to go up underneath my dash to this guy right here. So once I plug this in and I have the ignition on in my car, the code reader will light up and then I'll be able to go through the features. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, here we are. We've got the code reader plugged in. I don't have the ignition on quite yet, so it's not going to recognize my vehicle. But if you look in here, we've got the features lit up and the thing's turned on. So I'm going to go ahead and stick the key into my vehicle and turn the ignition on. I'm actually going to start it, but you don't have to fully start it. You can just turn it to the accessory to where like you could turn your stereo on, and then it should work from there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. All right, so sorry for the glare. You're going to probably see my reflection in this, but so once you get booted up, it's going to come to this screen right here. And I go over to OBD2 v3.0 and starting to there. And it's going to say initializing, and it's doing this boot up process here and reading the vehicle. Select the nameplate. Oop. So escape to go back. I'm going to go down to GM. Control unit. So first one right here, read current trouble code. So if you have a check engine light on, this will be the place to read that. I'm going to go ahead and hit here, and there are no trouble codes. So I currently don't have any check engine light on my vehicle, so I'm not going to see anything here. But so it's, again, escape to go back. Clear trouble code. So if you want to turn your check engine light off, if it is on, that's the way to do it. You just go in there and hit OK. And do you wish to clear the fault codes? And say yes. And read current data. This is where you can go in and you can check fuel system status and malfunction indicator statuses and engine coolant temperature. So going down further here, we've got engine RPM, 660 RPM. So I'm going to rev it up here. You can see it turns up in real time. So there's just a ton of features in here. Vehicle speed sensor, air intake temperature, your mass airflow sensor, throttle position, oxygen O2 sensors, and feature after feature. And then down here at the bottom, you've got unit conversion. So this is where you can switch between metric and English. Where I'm at, we use English. So if you wanted to use metric, you'd switch to this there, and then it will change the units for you. Yeah, overall this thing's awesome. I did have a check engine light on when I first got this thing, and it ended up being an O2 sensor. So got the thing fixed and replaced it myself, as opposed to going in and having somebody diagnose it, which was nice. I do have an auto parts place here that will let you borrow their code reader, but it's not as nice as this one by far, or as feature filled. It's just nice to be able to come out here and diagnose your own stuff and save a little money. So definitely worth the money. So far, haven't found anything I don't like about it. Pretty awesome. Thanks for watching.